Yeah, well, we have to either fix the bird post that got blown down in the wind, or find a new place to set our bird feeders here. What do you think I should do? I think that's too windy right there. We're like in this wind vortex right in front of your room here. Do you think it would stay up if I put it by the tree? Maybe I could wedge it between some branches or something? Yeah? It's worth a try? Okay. I'll try that. That'd be nice because it would give the birds a place to land while they wait to get to the feeders. Though it's still in the vortex. I know, there's no avoiding that, is there? That tree might be able to hold them though. Well, you don't even care. Look at you going on. Going on with your day. Primping. I wonder if there's some way I could hang these feeders from your geodome. I could pull that over here. Burp. Do you want to help me try to pull that over here? Oh my goodness, you rolled it outside. Yay! Good job. Nice roll, going outside. Oh, almost. One more good push. You can get it outside. You can get it there. Yay! So close again. There you go. Good one. You're outside. You're in the vortex. Oh, you need me to go get that? It's not really that far out here, baby. How's that? Do you want to come out? What do you think? Too windy? I think it's too windy, but it'd be nice if you could get some sun. Maybe if you stay low to the ground. Nice roll. It's coming back in though. That's gonna go in the door. Boop. Wow, power. All right, I'm gonna go move your geodome and we're gonna see if we can find a way to hang feeders from that. Now come with me? Or are you just kind of wrapped up in your game here?